Hey everyone! Welcome back to Social Tool 101. In today's quick Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how to group columns and rows in Excel. Perfect for organizing your data and making your spreadsheets easier to read and navigate. Grouping in Excel lets you collapse or expand sections of your spreadsheet. Great for monthly reports, long tables, or any data you want to keep tidy. Select the rows you want to group, highlight them, go to the Data tab in the ribbon. Click on Group under the Outline section. Boom! You'll see a small minus icon on the left. Click it to collapse the group. You can always click the plus icon to expand them again. And if you ever want to ungroup, just highlight the grouped rows or columns. Click Ungroup in the Data tab and you're back to normal. And that's it. Easy, right? Grouping makes large Excel sheets a breeze to navigate. If this helped you, give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple Excel tips. See you in the next one.